Yes, my beautiful people, I'm here again. I want you to click to my channel, subscribe, thumbs up, and click to my channel, subscribe, thumbs up. I want to view it and subscribe. This is a plantain. You see how it's shaped? Look at it. This will make a man love you forever. This will make a man love you forever. This simple little plantain that you see in my hand, it have a lot of stamina in it. It have a lot of benefit in it. Plantain has a lot of benefit for, especially for manhood. This will make a man move from 2-minute man to 40-minute man. If you have your man and he cannot perform well into the bed, this, when you give him this, will make his perform, and he will love you for it, like this. So, and dice it up like this.
Let us go to God in prayer.
You see this plant of the plantain, in case you didn't know, this is where the stamina is here, right here. This is the stamina. Right here. This, the little part here, is the stamina. This is where the stamina is. And the boots, the man, sex drive, good film, penis root. Yes. I'm gonna show you how I'm going to do it. Dice it up like this, and I'm going to blend it now. See it here? I'm gonna put supligen, guiness, tin Betty milk. I'm not gonna pay for advertising for Betty, but I love the Betty milk. I'm not gonna get paid for advertising supligen, but I have to use it. I'm not gonna get paid for advertising guineas, but I have to use it. Yes, my peeps, just follow me to the kitchen.
We continue in prayer.
Hello my peeps, I'm back again. I want you to subscribe, thumbs up, and click the notification bell. And yes, this is a finishing touch of the green plantain, the guiness supligen mixed with milk, nutmeg and vanilla. Come and see what it looks like. When you try it for yourself, you're gonna enjoy it, you're gonna love it, you're gonna subscribe to me more. Because look here peeps, I have a lot of ingredients for all who can hold a man, all who try fit also to sit and now work. I have a lot of things to tell you what to blend and what to do, that you can have a good immune system and sex drive, and even for you women can tighten up what down there and make things work for you. Come and look what is the finishing touch of the green plantain, the guinea, the supligen, and the tin milk, vanilla and nutmeg. Okay, come and look. Mouth watering, nice stamina drink.